Hey everyone, we're bringing back a party favorite from the 70s or the 80s today. I'm Mike Brooks. We're in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. Also have Julie Bisbee here from TSET. Tell us about TSET real quick.
Yeah, sure. So our mission is to improve the health of Oklahomans, and we have the Shape Your Future program. And the goal of this partnership is to help bring healthy tips, quick and easy things that families can do to get extra vegetables, healthy proteins for their kiddos so that they're fueled up and ready to go for this school year.
We got it all right here, Chef Val. And it used to be known as a 7-layer dip.
Right.
And we're calling this.
Well, we're just going to call it several because we don't want to limit it. We don't want to make it like if you only have 6 ingredients, oh, I can't do it. No, you can totally do it with whatever you have on hand, your favorite additions. Okay, so this is just a dip that you could use mashed beans, but we're actually going to use a pre-prepared bean dip. And so if you buy one, make sure to get one that is lower in sodium, and that's where you're really going to benefit by mashing your own beans from a can. Try to get that salt, no salt added version.
So you could use refried beans too, right?
Absolutely. We just happen to get these black ones, but yeah, the canned refried beans would be great. And then if you want to pack this for a lunch, that's why I'm doing it in this little container. So we have our beautiful finished product, but we're also, I wanted to show you how to maybe think about doing this in the morning before work, or if you were going to do it the night before, we talked about maybe doing the guacamole last. So that's the last thing you do before you walk out the door is a good plop of guac on top of there. Okay?
Always starts off right.
That's right. And then we've made a little sauce out of yogurt and some taco seasoning. So again, with the salt, be careful. So you could just use chili powder and a little bit of cumin, but mix that up with some sour cream or yogurt in this case. And then just start piling on your toppings. I mean, this depends on how much you like the jalapenos. The kids, maybe you leave these off, maybe they love them, I don't know. Some black olives, some lettuce, tomato, cilantro, all of these are gonna get layered on here. And then just take maybe some whole grain chips, whole grain tortillas, and lots of fresh veggies for dipping.
Yeah, that's great. Kiddos love to dip, and this is perfect for the to-go lunch when you're tired of the peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Yes, that's right.
And how long will this stay good? A couple of days or?
So if you didn't add the guacamole, I think you could make this 2 days ahead.
Okay.
And like I said, plop it on at the last minute as you're going out the door. Okay, some lettuce. And I think that's it. And the lettuce too, you could actually add that at the end. And then, so do think also that you could add a lot of greens on top. This could be more of a salad. So on the top or as a base, use a lot of lettuce and put your dip on top of it. And then you have a salad as well as a dip.
Wow. And this is what it comes out to look like at the end of
Yes.
it. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Everything here looks gorgeous.
Thank you.
Nice
So we
spread.
whole grain tortillas, those are the low carb tortillas. We have our whole grain tortilla chips and lots and lots of veggies.
Okay.
Some veggies.
You want to jump in very quickly and
Yeah.
give us a taste test here? We'll do this.
Just like I remember. Am I showing my age?
From the 90s. We're not going back to the
Right, thank
70s.
you.
Okay, you're going to find this recipe and all of our other recipes on our website, kjrh.com. Ladies, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.